Ikhomishana eyengamele ukhetho i-IEC iqeda kumemezela imiphumela yokhetho lukazwelonke olwezifundazwe nezifunda. Ake siphonse izintambo esikhungweni sokubala amavoti sikazwelonke eMidrand sicoshe bukhoma inkulumo kaMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa oqeda kwamukela imiphumela yokhetho.
I wish to thank all the local and international observer teams who gave their time and effort to ensure a free and fair election. I had occasion to thank the former president of Kenya, just to thank him for being here, President Kenyatta, as well as to thank President Jonathan of Nigeria, who were leading various teams on behalf of our continent, the AU, as well as on behalf of AISA. But I also do want to thank the journalists, all of you with your cameras here, the researchers, camera people, producers, analysts, and other members of the media who played such an essential role in ensuring that the people of South Africa were well informed as they went to vote. Thank you very much for being present and giving us the news continuously. Above all, I'd like to thank the most important people, the people of South Africa, for once again giving life and meaning to the values and principles of our constitutional democracy.